Take a look at all these beauties. My goodness. There's some flowers here I've never seen before. I mean, these are all zinnias, but look at them. I mean, man, the variety is just incredible what we got this year. Really good compost is what we put in here. But man, you talk about beautiful. This doesn't do it justice, these pictures, I'll tell you. You got to be right here to see how vibrant these colors really are. I mean, they're just really amazing. Look at oranges, reds, pinks. I mean, they're still coming out too. Look at that. But look at this, how beautiful. I mean, all of these have a name for them, I'm sure. I'm not a connoisseur yet. Look at that beauty. Look at that. What's that all about? But man, just beautiful. Look at that orange beauty right there. Man, I mean, just the hummingbirds have been coming out here collecting on all this stuff too. Just really beautiful. Shanda's done a wonderful job out here with these this year. Good stuff from the lady herself.